Hello, friends. My name is Barnidharan. I welcome you all to my blog called Life, Live in Freedom and Ecstasy. I'd like to post videos uh, spreading positivity and love. This being my first post, I'd like to introduce myself. Um, my full name is Barnidharan and my nickname is Barry. You can call me Barney or Barry. I'm basically born and brought up in Vellore, Tamil Nadu. I'm born in a simple family which believed education as the only investment, and my dad is agricultural engineer Nandakumar. My mom Lalita is a science and English teacher, and I studied my master's degree in mechanical engineering at VAT, and I moved on to work in different places across India and the world. I've been working in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Canada, US, UK, and presently settled in Chennai. And I'm proud to be working in one of the top IT companies, holding a very good position. And I'm 41 years old today, and it has been 14 years since I'm married. And my wife Karthika, she also works in a top IT company, an important role. And my son is Gautam, he's in sixth grade, and my daughter Sahana, she's in fourth grade, and my elder brother, elder sister, they're all settled in Chennai, and this is my tiny world. And about this post, I'd like to wish you all a very happy harvest festival, and I'd like to share my thoughts about this festival. So in Western culture, this is celebrated as Thanksgiving Day, and in India we celebrate as Pongal, Makara Sankranti, Lohri, and so on in different states of India. So there are two things common for all the human beings across the world. It's life and food. So sun is the source of all the energy, and without sun there is no life possible, and without food we cannot survive. So these two being common to all of us, this is just a reminder to thank sun and worship sun today on this festival day, and thank the farmers across the globe who bring food to our table wherever we are in this whole wide world. So today for this moment, let us take a few minutes to thank sun and also the farmers wholeheartedly, and I wish you all a very happy Pongal, Sankranti, Lohri. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment on this post. And I would like to see you all in my next post soon. Thank you all for watching. Jai Hind.